Realization of developed scheme in Simulink. I have already opened MATLAB. Now I can also open a Simulink library by clicking on this button in the upper menu. First, we have to generate a new Simulink model by clicking on this button. This is an empty Simulink model, and we are going to build our model inside this file. We can build our simulation model by using the elements which are available in Simulink library. These elements are organized into different groups which can be seen here. We need two integrators, so I'm going to open first the group continuous, where it is possible to find also an integrator. Let's copy this element into our simulation scheme. And as we need actually two integrators, let's make also the copy of this one by clicking the right button and dragging the new one in this position. Each element is defined also by a set of properties which can be observed by two clicks on the element. This opens the corresponding communication window. For each integrator, it is possible to define external reset, initial condition source or initial condition value, upper and lower saturation limit, as well as absolute tolerance. For our case, all these properties can remain unchanged. We need another two elements for our simulation model. Let's open, for this purpose, the group Math Operations and copy the summator and the block gain into our simulation scheme. As we need three gains, let's make another two copies of this gain. And let's open the communication window of the first gain. Let's change the value gain from 1 to 2. Then we need another one with the value 3. And the last one again with the value 2. We can see that new gain values can be observed also on the icons of these three elements. Let's open also the communication window of the summator. We need three inputs to this block, one with the sign plus and two with minus. For this, we have to change the list of signs in this line. We need one plus and two minus. Then we can push the button OK, and we see that these changes are also visible on the icon of the summator. Now we have to connect all the elements in the same way as they are connected in the general simulation scheme. The connection can be realized by putting the cursor at the input of the chosen element like this. Push the left button of the mouse and draw the connection. If the connection is realized correctly, this line is a solid one. In the same way, we can connect also the first integrator with the summator, like this. And now I'm going to change the positions of these three gains. Let's push this gain here and connect it with the plus input of the summator. Now I'm going to flip these two blocks in the following way. First, I'm selecting this element or this gain, then I push the right button and choose the possibility flip block. In the same way, I'm going to flip also this one. And now I'm going to connect this gain 3 with the input minus of the summator and this gain. Gain 2 also with the input minus of the summator. Then we have to connect this gain with the output of the second integrator and this with the output of the first integrator. Now all the elements of our simulation model are correspondingly connected.